In Minecraft, an Ender Portal is a gateway that allows players to access the End Dimension, where they can battle the Ender Dragon and explore unique content. Here's a concise guide to creating an Ender Portal. Prepare resources. To create an Ender Portal, you need to gather the following resources: 12 End Portal frames and Ender Eyes. You can obtain Ender Pearls by defeating Endermen, and Blaze Powder by creating blaze rods obtained from blazes in the Nether. Craft Ender Eyes. Combine Ender Pearls and Blaze Powder in your crafting table to create Ender Eyes. Locate a stronghold. Strongholds are underground structures that house the Ender Portal. You can find them by using Ender Eyes. Stand in an open area and right-click to throw an Ender Eye. It will travel in the direction of the nearest stronghold. Follow its path and continue using more Ender Eyes until you reach the stronghold. Activate the portal. Once inside the stronghold, explore it until you find the End Portal room. It typically has a frame with missing Ender Portal frames. Insert Ender Eyes into each frame block by right-clicking or tapping. Open the portal. As you insert the final Ender Eye, the portal activates. It will display a swirling vortex indicating it's ready for use. Enter the End. Step into the portal to be transported to the End Dimension. Prepare for a challenging battle with the Ender Dragon and the unique adventures the End offers.